Hi everyone, my name is Juliana Alves and I am an architect and I'm here today with my partner Juliana Corte-Rio.
Yeah, I'm also an interior designer. I graduated here in Vancouver and now we are here to show you some huge improvements that were made in this home. Okay, from the outside we can see the before photo, you'll see lots of colors, so the color were not matching. Lots of texture, different texture. The color were fighting with each color. So now, as you can see, there is huge improvements here. So we worked with gray shades. As you can see, we have light grays. We have the tiles. We also paint with the gray tone. We replaced the garage door as well. So just making the wood tone, make the overall design a little bit more warm and really blends with the gray tones and everything. For me here, what makes a huge improvement was all the windows that were all replaced, and we use black frame that really highlight the shape of the windows, and they are very modern, very clean.
Yeah, and also the door that was oversized. It's an 8-foot door for
42 inches wide, so it's higher and also wider now, so just make a very focal point in the main entrance of the home. Let's go in and then we can just show everything that's coming together with the renovation. See how big is this door? Very wide, 8 feet high. And then another thing that we need to point on here is that door is very safe because there are 1, 2, 3 lockers, so it's something very important. So just your home be very safe with that kind of door. Wow, look at that flooring. It doesn't seem the same flooring. They just refinish, but yeah, look at the texture, right?
I love it. It's a natural oak hardwood floor. I love the finish.
Yeah, before was so shiny, finish, right? Yeah. So yeah, it's make a huge difference. It doesn't seem the same flooring.
Yeah, that is true.
So and see here we have these huge windows. So we replaced the windows with the black frame. I think make a huge difference. So here we have we also changed the overall layout of the space. Now everything seems scaled.
Yeah, and I like the symmetry between the windows, you know, with the furniture. We have plants and furniture
and just the huge windows with the black just highlights the nature, just serves as a frame. Yeah, I just love it.
I love it as well.
Another thing that we need to point here also is that the fireplace is just amazing. They come with a texture until almost the top of the ceiling, yeah, and just make the space feel more cozy.
I like how the light color from the floor goes through the wall as well. Play with those textures.
All the furniture seems more scaled now.
Oh yeah, that is true. Before it was too big, too oversized.
And different materials, different textures, so very cluttered and busy.
Yeah.
So here we can see also they changed a little bit the dining room. So there was a fireplace here before. They just remove it, paint everything on white. They just have a huge dining table that they can fit more people, have friends.
I love this detail on this wall. It's very cohesive with the rest of the details on the stairs.
Yeah, so everything comes together now. Before, even though the home was big, it was very divided. Every place when you get into it, you can see different materials, different color. That was nothing was going together. So I just love it.
Look in this angle, how beautiful it is, this frame, this black frame. And I like that we have an opening in the bottom
right?
Of the window.
And another thing that we need to think about it, we have the roller shade, motorized ones, but it's very discreet, very contemporary, yeah, so it doesn't fight with the overall design. Yeah. So I think that's a very good element for us that work with the design, because we don't want people to focusing on the roller shades, so that's just awesome.
You see here, Juliana, before was a glass block here,
yeah,
and now we have this.
Yeah, now it's much better. Yeah, we have the same black frame, so it's just the repetition of the window all over the home, so that's make a huge change. And also here, this is a frosted glass, so we don't need to have any blinds here because nobody can see. And also like you don't get that much light.
For small windows.
Yeah, true.
Wow, we have a huge change here. You see how open it is now?
Yeah, lots of storage space, right?
A big fridge. Wow.
Yeah, very clean look. That's what I love it. And see how all the cabinets like just blend in a very good way with the flooring. So everything comes together. Yeah. Perfect. Before, I think we had like an island in the center. Yeah. And now we just have space for everything single.
I love the countertop match with the black splash.
Black splash, yeah. See, just like going the quartz countertop going until the ceiling, just like make everything very clean and modern. Also, this fan, right? Just custom made with the same concept of the project.
This symmetry between.
Yeah, this is all the garbage. So all the main appliances just like behind the cabinets, that just make the overall project amazing. We also have like glass door here with lighting inside. That's just so interesting as well. Lots of like workspace for a kitchen, right? Lots of area. You look at that window, Jules, so good.
Like a frame, right?
And not a frame, and then when you are like using this thing, you just see what's going on outside.
I love how the black frame match with the black sink, faucet. And
and there is no frame, so just leave the very clean look, right? It's just a huge improvement not in having lots of frame, because this home has lots of windows, so now like the overall project's much better with no framing. So see how big is this island? We can sit here like 4 persons, so it's just so nice now. Much better space right now with the new layout.
The black light is matching with the black frame from the windows, from the sink.
So I don't know, Ju, if you remember, right? I think this was just one door, right?
Yeah, and now we have a patio door here.
Wow, it's very easy to open, very lightweight.
I love that.
Yeah, and there is much more like lighting coming to the inside of this space as well. One thing that I love it, I remember when we were discussing about the before they like have, I think it was a round table with 4 chairs, and now taking advantage of this detail, like the building, just having a custom-made bench with storage space inside, and then we can have more people sitting during breakfast, even when people are coming over. It's just so nice. And one more time, look how the black windows with no casing just like makes the nature come to inside the home. It's a very cozy spot to sit, to take a coffee in the morning, to read a book.
I love, with one click we can close and open all the windows, blinders.
And I think also you can like control through Google, Alexa, right? It's very easy, just say, okay, Google, open the blinds, and then the blinds will be open or closed. It's so nice.
I love this bench.
Yeah, I love it too.
So here they removed this wall, right? Before it was closed.
Now it's more open.
Yeah.
Right? So another thing that I also noticed, like before, there was a huge gap with no windows, and now they just made like the windows bigger. So look how that looks amazing, right? One more time, all the blinds are very seamless. They just like nothing something that catches like the eye, just very discreet, very modern.
New lights washing this accent wall. I love it as well. And also this fireplace.
At the same level as the wall. So usually when you have a fireplace, just come a little bit to the front.
So we have more space
here.
Much
more space here.
This cozy sofa.
Yeah, it's a really great place just to have friends over, to cook dinner, and everybody will be at the same space, just like creating memories, right? It's just amazing how all the design comes together and make a huge difference, right? When I saw the before, I was so impressive, right? How everything changed. Yeah, so nice.
And here we have a new wall for more privacy.
Yeah, it was open here, right, before. I think also they replaced the railing from the stairs as well. Everything like black with white, even all the doors, right? All the doors were replaced as well for the closets, keeping the repetition of the black on the hardware. Here also the door is white and everything here is new, all the railing and everything. The same panel here. I love the lighting as well, black and gold, right?
Yeah.
So it's very open here, very airy. Your view from here, I love that window as well because from here you can see the nature too, right? This is one of the bedrooms that they just make as an office, and I love the windows. One more time, the black frame, and these windows are so nice. Both of them you can just open. And then if it's rainy, right? If it's rainy, then the rain just not come through, and then you can feel the wind. It's so nice. Yeah. So this bathroom also was renovated, and then double sink, lots of storage space. The owner of the home has like 4 daughters, so every one has their drawer to store everything that they need. Double mirror, like a lighting. I also love the tiling, like the blue one, just giving more accent wall here. I love it. Yeah.
Your room. I love these windows with this bench.
Yeah, nice spot to read a book, just to enjoy the view. And then also the windows open, both of them. And then this is a triple-pane window, so whenever you close, as the bedroom is very close to the road, you cannot hear the noise from the cars.
It's very quiet right now.
Yeah, just awesome. This here is the same. It's another girl, yeah. So same concept, the bed, like we have the same style of the windows. That's the window that we see from the outside. Same style, open, and also 3-pane, right?
Yeah, it's very quiet here.
Yeah, very quiet.
The wall is facing the street.
Yeah, so nice.
Oh, the master bedroom.
Okay, Google, turn on the lights on the master bedroom. Oh.
Got it. Turning on 3 lights.
Oh, I love it. They replaced the old windows for this patio door.
Same thing, very light, very easy to open.
Yeah.
A very cozy spot over here, right?
Patio.
Yep. Same thing over here. They replace all the windows, keep the same, the consistent, like same black frame with the blinds and everything. Very cute corner just to sit and relax a little bit. And then also the blinds are smart control, so you can also say, okay Google, close the blinds on master bedroom.
Got it. Closing 6 blinds.
Oh, and all go at the same time. That's just awesome, right?
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, good. Okay, so this one is the master bedroom washroom. So here on the shower area, we have a steam room here. So it's so nice.
Heating floor as well.
Yeah, the flooring is heated, so whenever it's cold, you can just get it hot and just be very comfort to step on it. So
And
here,
the windows are part of the design. We have like mirror windows and mirror.
kind of the same shape. And I think this also before has like the same glass blocks that there was downstairs, and they just replaced for a window, keeping the same like shape for the windows and mirror. Yeah, it was very interesting to be part of this video. We didn't do the overall design, but we had access before to the photos before and after, and we see a lot of improvements on the home. It seems another home. So if you have to let me know 3 things that you think is like the most changed on the entire project, what will you select?
Oh, for sure, what catch my eyes immediately, it's the floor, the white walls, and the windows, the black windows. it's like a frame, you know.
Yeah, I
love
think,
it.
yeah, the overall project just changed. I'm so impressed how like it was hard for me to believe that was the same hardwood floor. I was just double checking, triple checking, and how like just a different finish, like before was very shiny and reddish. Now just make the floor and the space feels more airy and bigger, I think, right?
Hardwood.
And then another thing that I really think that makes different is just like all the rooms, like dining room, living room from the main entrance, everything comes with the same design, the same palette, the same concept. Before was like every room was different, so it was, the home feels smaller, just like divided from rooms, and now everything comes together, so I think that's so nice.
And even this space, right? The new kitchen layout, it's so open. I love it.
Another thing that I love was the
bench.
The bench, the dining nook. Now just taking advantage of the wall shape and just making a custom-made bench with storage, just save circulation space. Now you can sit like 8 people. Before was just 4 because you need to leave circulation around the table. Even the kitchen, there is space for everything. All the refrigerator, like everything is hidden with cabinets, so just make the design very clean. So that's what I love as well.
Yeah, the stone as well, right?
Yeah, very good quartz, just very bright. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, so it was our first video with Ecoline Windows. I met Ecoline Windows when I moved to Calgary, so I did my home first, and then I have a very good experience. And I also refer some clients and they also like a lot. So yeah, it's just a beginning of something that's coming together.
Yeah, we have a lot of projects coming.
Yeah, we cannot say anything. If I say anything, I'll be in trouble. But I can say that there is lots of things that will happen this year, and we are so excited to be part of it. We just found our company, like J2 Design Group, and we do all the project. We do like all the layouts, the 3D, the rendering. So we offer lots of like custom-made service for clients, right?
Right.
Yeah.
We are very excited to be part of this.
Yeah.